media friend. Today, on behalf of our party, IPFT, we want to express our gratitude and thanks and congratulations to our Muslim brothers and sisters who are going to celebrate Eid ul-Zuha tomorrow, 1st August. As you know, we all welcome and we all celebrate this kind of festival. But today, we express our grief, our concern, and because as you know, nowadays the coronavirus pandemic is going on, COVID-19 is going on. As a result, our state government declaring the lockdown till 4 March. As you all aware that the disease is increasing every day. Every day we have found the positive case in Tripura. As you know, already now 4,000 above the positive case we have found. Therefore, we thought that unless we extend our lockdown, that the coronavirus pandemic, the disease will be increased. As a result, we have announced to extend up to 4 March. But suddenly, we have seen in the newspaper of, especially this spook mouthpiece of the Delhi Desa Kotha, the CPM party mouthpiece Delhi Desa Kotha, they have stated that because just they want to get a sentiment of our Muslim brothers. They have mentioned that why the government, BJP government, did not give the freedom of religious, political freedom and democracy, this and that they have stated in the papers. So I want to state here, I want to mention here that this is not only in Tripura, it is all over India. This coronavirus is going on. As a result, there is already declaration, restriction of social gathering, maybe political platform, religious platform, even there is school and colleges, all are closed. We have to maintain social distances. Even marriage ceremony cannot take place. Social gatherings cannot take place. Even religious gatherings cannot take place. It's not only the Eid ul-Zuha. Recently, we have seen a lot of festival has completed in Tripura. For example, Care Puja, big festival, lakhs of people are gathering. That also we cannot celebrate due to this situation. And Kharchi Puja, we cannot celebrate properly. Gauriya Puja, we cannot celebrate properly. And then Good Friday, once a day Good Friday, this large gathering, the Christian community cannot perform properly. And also Buddha Purnima. All this occasion has already gone. There is no any chaos. There is no any news. And I wonder how can CPM party, that time they don't remember. It is totally, I want to say, they have no any sympathy. They don't have any concern about the people, tribal people, indigenous people of Tripura. Because indigenous people are celebrating in the last, in the befitting manners, Care Puja, Gauriya Puja, Good Friday, and Buddha Purnima is celebrated every year. But due to the lockdown, due to this situation, they cannot celebrate. But in that period, the Communist Party is keeping silent, which means they don't have no concern about the indigenous people of Tripura. This is why today we want to reply this kind of statement. Why in that period the Communist Party is not any concerned. They don't remember about Gauriya Puja. They don't remember about the Care Puja. They don't remember about the Good Friday. They don't remember about Kharchi Puja. But suddenly now, just to get the sentiment of our Muslim brothers, they have stated and they have given this kind of statement. It's very unfortunate. Therefore, I appeal to our people, because we have living in a secular country. Christian is also living in Tripura. Muslim also living in Tripura. Hindu living in Tripura. There are a lot of religious groups are living in Tripura. Minority group are living in Tripura. Therefore, our government, BJP government, did not discriminate all these small groups, because we try to maintain and we have belief of this secularism spirit. Therefore, I think this sort of newspaper, this sort of news item, totally condemnable, totally disgrace, and is really Communist Party have nothing to do now in Tripura. They don't have any base in Tripura. They have no people in the ground. So sitting idle in the house, they try to mislead the people. They want to create the religious sentiment. Therefore, I totally condemn. I totally disagree with this sort of statement given by the Communist Party of Tripura. Thank you.